In this video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Monday.com. So to do that, first head over to your HubSpot marketplace by clicking on this marketplace icon. Now click on the search bar and search right here for Monday. You should be able to find Monday.com right here, so proceed to click on this. So as you can see, it's created by Monday.com itself, so no worries. Click onto this install option and this will open right here the integration for the Monday.com. As you can see, this will ask you to connect your account, so click on this next and click on connect to Monday. After that, this will open right here this new tab. So it will actually automatically sign you up or log you in if you're already logged in altogether, which means you won't have to do anything. You just need to wait for this and then make sure to authorize it. You first need to use this app to install it. So for this case, just head over and authorize it, and once you're done, you should be able to be ready. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.